Today I'm going to be making the Lebanese Kafta. A lot of people pronounce it different ways depending on what little town you're from. It can be pronounced Kufta, Kafta, but I'm used to saying Kafta. So to start, we have the ingredients: 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So add that to the bowl. The other ingredients I use: parsley, chopped onions, chopped green bell peppers, and the spices I use: salt, pepper, cinnamon, allspice, and my famous steak and chop rub. Now this ingredient, it's not typically in the Lebanese recipe, but I tried it once and we really like it, so I've continued to use it in my recipe. So let's get started. I'm going to add the spices first. So we have salt first, pepper, there's cinnamon, your allspice, and your steak and chop rub. So again, I always put my ingredients in the comments, in the description, sorry. And yes, if there's something you're not sure of or anything in this video, just comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So the next ingredient I add is the chopped onions, and then the bell peppers, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this before I put the parsley in. So I'm going to do it better with my hand. You just get a better mix that way. Learned from my mom, so put on some gloves so the meat and spices don't get stuck in your nails. So go ahead and mix it. We usually eat this with some fries on the side, hummus. You can make this yogurt dip. It's kind of like tzatziki sauce. I'll make it one day and I'll post it in my videos. But yeah, some people eat it with some pita bread as well. You can make it, turn it into a sandwich with the pita bread. It's really tasty. You can eat it with salad as well if you just want meat, your protein, and a salad. It's also satisfying as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add the parsley. See how much I need. Might not need it all, so add half of the amount first. And keep mixing. You can also throw all these ingredients into a you can throw them into I forgot the name of it. Wow, I guess I'm so hungry I can't even think about it, the name of that machine. How silly is that? I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about though. Not the blender, the other one. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the parsley and keep mixing. Okay, so I finally remembered the name of that machine. That appliance is called a food processor. Wow, talk about really hungry. You can't even think anymore. Something so basic. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the mixture looks like. Smells amazing already, not even cooked. So now I'm going to prepare a lot of people make them different way. You can grill these on your grill. So normally if you make it on the grill, you use a skewer and then you shape it on to the skewer. It will look something like this, but on a skewer. Just like a hot dog. But also if you want to make them for sandwiches, you can keep them like this as well. So I'll make a few like that. We're not going to use the grill for this recipe. We're going to just fry them on a pan on the stove top. So yeah, see, very easily. But then the most common way I make them is into just like little flat meatballs. Kind of like mini sliders, I guess, when you look at it. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish balling these out, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I'm ready to cook them. Thank you. All right, so I am finished balling them up, or I guess this is the amount of little patties that turns out with the amount of beef that I used. There's about 15 of these little sliders, if you want to call it that. And I made the shape of hot dogs for the little one. He likes them like this, so about 5 of them. So all you have to do now is fry them on a frying pan, and you're done. All right, so I'll be back to show you the finished product. Stay tuned. Right, so I did all the frying, fried all these kafta meatballs up, and the ones that look like hot dogs for the little one. But yeah, it's very easy to make. It doesn't take much time at all. And if you also wanted, you can also make these instead of making them like the meatballs or the small slider size of the meatball, the kafta. What you can do is, it actually gives it a really nice taste, nice flavor, is make it into a hamburger patty. And yeah, with all the tasty spices, it adds a really nice kick to your regular burger. But yeah, try it that way with the rest of your regular fixings you would put on your hamburger. And yeah, trust me, you'll like it.